So when it comes to analyzing the markets, when it comes to trading, there are two things. First of all, you have to be able to analyze the market and locate the direction of the market, where it's going to go next. Then second one is that you need to be able to locate your exact entry point. Which point should you enter the market, and you will not experience too much drawdown or price not hit your stop loss and liquidate you. These are two important things that we know and that we need to do in the market. Now, majority of traders know exactly how to analyze the market and get the right direction where the price is going to, but being able to spot out the exact entry point is usually a problem, and this is where most people fail. After giving the analysis, price will eventually go their direction, but it will first hit their stop loss. Now, two things used to cause this. Number one, it is either they were not able to specify the right time to enter the trade, so they enter too early, or they were not able to enter on time, so they enter too late. Okay, so you enter too late or you enter too early, price will eventually hit your stop loss. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is to show you exactly how to spot out the right entry point in all your trades. And this strategy I'm going to show you is very, very simple. It's the easiest strategy you will ever find on YouTube. Okay, so I want you to watch this video to the end and understand it. If there's anything that gets you confused, just ask the question in the comment box. I'll answer immediately. Okay, so if this is what you want, smash the like button, and if you are new and unsubscribed, please subscribe to the channel immediately. Okay, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new post, you'll be among the first people to get notified. Also, we have a trading community on Telegram where we run our daily trading activities, where I also share my trading activities. I share my signals, I share my chart setups and everything, my trading results. I share them there. So if you want to join and make money with me, just check the description box, click the Telegram link and join the Telegram, and also click the TikTok link and follow my TikTok page, so that whenever I go live on TikTok and show live trades, you partake in it and take the trades and make money. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. So guys, here we are on the chart, and as you can see, we just have a clean chart right here. I'm going to show you very simply how this works. First thing you're going to do is that you are going to come to your time frame. Choose any time frame you want to choose, but here I'm using the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm using the 30 minutes time frame here. You can choose 15 minutes time frame, or 1 hour time frame, or 4 hours time frame, but just know that for this video personally I'm using 30 minutes time frame for boom and crash, and it is the best. Okay, use the 30 minutes time frame, and then what you need to do is to have this indicator. I'm going to show you the setting for this indicator as time goes on. Now what you want to do is that you want to see price giving you break of structure. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you everything step by step. As you can see here, we had price give us this price broke this structure to the upside, right, and then came back, broke to the downside. So when it breaks to the upside and then comes back to break to the downside, we call it change of character. All right, we call it change of character. And what happens then is that we wait for price to go back to a certain level and then it drops. Okay, so it goes out to retest the level and then drops. Now the problem we encounter most of the times is that we don't know the exact level where this is going to drop. Okay, don't know the exact level where it's going to start reversing, and so you are moving, and before you know, you are trading at impulse. Before you know, you are following inducement, and so you get liquidated along the line. So this video is going to solve that problem. What you are going to do is, first thing first, you have to see that there is a break of structure, or rather there is a change of character. Okay, these two implies here we have a break of structure, and then here we have a change of character. So when you have a break of structure like this, and then price comes back to change character at about this point, that means this break of structure here is invalidated, so it's cancelled, and then you are working with this. You are going to work with the change of character. You are not going to be trading in the opposite direction. Did you understand that? Okay, now you have seen the first condition being met. Price has broken below, and then you have marked out your break of structure. Now price is now retracing. So usually it is at this retracement point that you want to look for your entry. So what are you going to do? As price is retracing like this, you want to scale down to your 5 minutes time frame. You want to scale down to your 5 minutes time frame. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame right now. Okay, so what you're going to do, you go to the 5 minutes time frame right now. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to do. Please, if you have not liked this video, like this video right away. Okay, very, very important. Now look at it, guys. Look at the point where we are. Okay, so here, can you see? This is the point where you got your change of character. This is that point here. So price started going back, retracing. So how do you get your entry? How do you get your entry for this? What you are going to do, price will retrace and go above this moving average you are seeing here. So what you want to wait for is for price to break the moving average. So at about this point, price broke the moving average immediately we got here. And then what you're supposed to do is to enter your trade at that moment. Then as you enter your trade right here, the next thing you are going to do is to place your stop loss a little bit above this high. Okay, this is a sell scenario. So you're going to place your stop loss a bit above this high. Okay, that is it. Now you can see the price will be running in your direction. You will see price running in your direction. Now, how do you do this? How do you exit this trade? Okay, how do you exit this trade? How you are going to exit, that is how you are going to close your profit, is this. First of all, you can decide, that's the first option, you can decide to target 1:2 risk ratio or 1:3 or whatever you want. Or, which is the best way now, is you use this 50 moving average as your trailing stop. Yeah, so that whenever price closes above it significantly, you close your trade, you're out, just like that. Whenever price closes above it, you just exit the trade. That's it. So this will help you to catch more safer trades. Okay, look at it. If you had entered at this point, you would have made some money from this setup. So this is the first example. Now let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame again. Let me show you another example. Remember, we are using the 30 minutes time frame as a case study. Okay, now after you have exited your trade, look at this point here again. Just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look at this. Look at here. Price broke the structure below. Don't mind my line, it's not straight. Okay, now after price broke the structure below, it came here again, broke the structure above. So we have change of character right here, right? So what you want to wait for is a pullback, just as we got here. Is this pullback? Now as soon as you see the pullback happening, what you want to do is to scale down to your 5 minutes time frame. That is it. Scale down to your 5 minute time frame. Before we go there, let me just mark this place out so that we know where we are looking at. Okay, so you go to your 5 minutes time frame. After marking it out like this, go to your 5 minutes time frame for easy identification. We are marking it out for easy identification. Okay, so let's go to our we've gone to our 5 minutes time frame. Let's locate the place. Okay, let's try to locate it. Good. Good and fine. This is exact location. Now look at what happened here, guys. As soon as that's it, just pay close attention to this, guys. What I'm showing you is going to make a lot of difference in the way you trade. Now look at this. Price broke through here and then came back. Now remember, this was where price changed character here. So this is not even your entry point because this one happened at low higher time frame. We're still at the higher time frame where this happened. So this is where you are looking at. This is where you are looking at. So you can see what happens here. Price comes here and then breaks, starts moving above the moving average. You can see that. So you could have entered at this point. When you enter at this point, below this low should be your stop loss. Alright? That should be your stop loss. Now, if you missed here, you could have also entered it here. So you want to target 1:2 risk reward ratio, or you want to go for you want to use the moving average as a trailing stop, such that whenever price closes below it, just like here we have here, whenever price closes below it, you exit. So you would have taken the trade all the way from here down to this spot, and you have made massive profit. Okay, you have made massive profit. As simple as that. Now let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame to look for another opportunity. Now this, I'll show you one buy opportunity and I'll show you one sell opportunity. Now let me show you another one. Look at this one here. It was doing a retracement that this one happened. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let me just show you. Let me move this stuff here. This is it. So let's see how you would have entered this trade, how you would have taken advantage of this move to make some money. Some money. That is what you're looking for in the market. Money. Okay, forget everything anybody is talking. What we are looking for is money. The final aim of trading is to make money. So as you make money, it is what I'm showing you right now. Now look at this, guys. You can see you saw price on your 30 minutes time frame. You saw price broke structure and started retracing. Now as it was retracing, look at what happened here. You want to see price close above the moving average like this. When you scale down to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see how price finally closed above the moving average like this. That is your exact entry point. As price close above it here, you enter your trade right here, guys. It's not difficult. This is not difficult. Then you come here, place your stop loss below. Right? It's not huge. It's very simple. It's not a rocket science. It's very easy to understand. So if you do that, look at using 1.0 lot size, 1.0 lot size, which is very huge. Sometimes if you're starting with a small account, you can start with just start with 0.2, 0.2. But here we are using 0.1 as a case study. Sorry, 1.0 as a case study for this calculation. Look at it. If you use 1.0, which is a very large lot size, you would have only risked $20.1. Okay, or let's say $20. That would have been your risk in this trade. Just $20. That would have been your risk. Look at it. This stuff here. This is what I'm showing you. Look at it here. This is it. $20. That would have been your risk. Okay. Now, if you do that, then you are going to target at least 1:2, which means you are going to make minimum of $40. $40. Okay. So look at it. This is even more than 1:2. So you either use that or you wait. You hold on till you see where price, this area where price close below the moving average, probably here. You can exit. Okay. At about this point, you exit. You have made multiple of your risk. Now let me show you. Let's go back to the M30 and let me show you the last one. Now guys, this works for boom and crash. All the boom and crash, it works for all of them. So use them there. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel by this time and you have not liked this video at this point, you are not doing well. Okay, what you are doing is not good. That is the only way you can show me appreciation. Now look at this. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel and drop a pleasant comment. I am going to show you the setting of this video. Don't forget to remind me. Even if I forget, remind me. Okay, so look at this spot again here. Price at about this point broke the high. That is the break of structure. And then at about this point, price broke the low, which is now a change of character, or what we call shift in market structure. Okay, so what they're going to do to locate your exact entry points and with that mistake, what they're going to do is also to scale down to lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes time frame. Once you scale down there, you are going to find using the moving average that I'm showing you. Now look at this, guys. Look at it. This is so amazing. Look at where price now closed, people. Remember, first of all, it broke here and then came down, broke here. Okay, so this was where we got change of character here. So this is where we're looking at price for price to go above here. So look at where price got above the moving average and then dropped, closed below it. So it is at this point where it closes below it, that is your entry. Look at it, guys. You have entered here and then probably this high here, this level. That is where personally I put my stop loss. I will not take it up to this point. This is too far. Okay, the drawdown will be massive. So I'll just place my stop loss here about this point. Sorry, this point. Yeah, that's it. And then look at it, guys. We have made this one up to this point. Now let me show you. You can see price continues dropping. Yeah, price continued dropping. Okay, so at about this point you have exited your trade. Meanwhile, it still dropped more. Look at it, it still dropped more and it's still dropping. So you'd have also you'd have closed your trade here. You'd have closed your trade at about this spot here, and then you go back to 30 minutes time frame and look for another opportunity, which this also would have been another opportunity because price went above. Okay, price went above here. So at this retracement, this is a retracement. So you scale down to, if you mark it out, like this, this is a retracement. If you mark it out, you can now go down to your M5 again. Look at it. So at about this point where price broke below the moving average, so you enter your trade here, stop loss above here, and then look at all this would have been yours. Even now you still be in profit. This is exactly how this thing works, guys. Trading is so simple if you have simple rules to follow. So okay, so this I've taught you can even be your strategy for trading. I've taught you once price breaks the structure and start retracing, that is when you start looking for your entry opportunity. Okay, and then this moving average can just serve. Use it to find that your entry opportunity. Okay, so from today start making money from the market, start making profit. I want you to comment in the comment box and say from today I'll start making money from the market. Let me hear you say it in the comment box. Okay, if you love this video and if you got value, let me hear you say in the comment box, from today I will start making money from the market. That is the comment everyone who watches this video must make. Now let me show you the setting for the moving average. The setting for the moving average is what I want to show you now. Okay, so let's go straight to where the moving average is. This is indicator moving average. Okay, so this is the moving average. The period is 50, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and then style 2 pixel. Can choose any pixel you want. I want it to, this size is okay for me. Can make it bigger if you want. I choose the color blue, that is okay for me, and that's just all. That's just all you need. Once you finish that, click done and then go back. That's it, you are good. Okay, this is on my mobile phone. You can do the same on your laptop. Okay, so this is just it. It's very good. So please guys, go and make money from the market. Remember, we are confluence trader, we trade our confluence. Okay, so as long as you continue learning this, as long as you continue practicing all these things I'm teaching you, I keep telling you one thing, I promise you one thing, it can only get better. All right, it can only what get better. Goodbye, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and you like this video, and make sure you comment. I will make money from the markets.